your boy Couples XD in the building. Today we're back on the roof. People are watching. People are watching us because they're gay. What?
I'm only a retard.
And if they come to that gate, we're off. But people are watching us though, guys. And we're just on the roof. Came here at night. I couldn't actually see us that well. So we're back on it. It's just our hangout spot for the rest of the holidays. But anyway, I'll keep you informed when I've done something crazy or whatever. See ya for now. Guys, we're back. We're here with Jack. Yo guys, we're back. We're here with Jack. And we're here with Lewis. And guess what I've got? A motherfucking fidget spinner. Because this boy right here made it for me.
Yeah, boys.
He's just sick at making these. He just smashed some scooter wheels out and just made it. It's well good. I broke mine, so he's letting me use this.
Yeah, show him your broken one.
This is the broken one.
So like, I've used glue in between them. And you just spin it like that, but one's broke off.
Yeah. And we're just here. We're gonna go to Institute Park. Peace. Guys, and just like that, we are at Lucy's. And Jack is being a dick.
Sick crib. Oh, the scooter's there actually.
Scooter's there. It's like, we're gonna do a scooter check on his scooter right now. Alright, we're not going to scooter check yet, but we just need to take our shoes off. Lewis is there.
These are hot blogger. I'll show you a blogger when I get into the shed, boys.
Blogger. Just gonna go upstairs now.
Yo, put this in. I've got shoes off what?
No, Jack.
Yeah, then I don't because we're on country.
Don't. And here, this is Lewis's setup. This is where he makes the videos. This is where the magic happens, guys.
Yo, sick.
That's his mouse.
What fucking shit me off.
Oh my god.
Shit me up.
Well, look at this.
I can't get these videos. Yeah, what about when you shit me up?
Ah!
That was bad, that though.
Anyway, guys, see you when we're at the skate park. We didn't go to the skate park, but we've got this beast. It is his. Little Jack as well. But we'll do all this in a minute. See you. Yes! It's not that fast because. Fake life! Fuck. Shake!
Fuck me. Right, take it back now. It didn't get going fast. That was just that put me warmed up.
It's filled with smoke, guys. That is super cool.
Yeah, go get the Allen key.
I've got Allen key.
Have you?
No, I've not.
You took it?
I've not. I've had it. No,
Over there, you took it. Go get it.
No, I just had it on me.
No, I'm not putting it.
Hey, Jack, have you got Allen key?
Yeah, it's down there.
Fuck's sake. Thank you for subscribing to Lewis James. He's got more subscribers than PewDiePie. Lewis Gaming Boss, thank you everyone for subscribing to him. It just means the world. And yeah, thanks. And we're going to skate park soon. Maybe. Bye. I'm going to scooter check on Lewis's scooter. Right, he's got Sacrifice Crisp grips, baseball bat bars, Sacrifice clamp with crisp scooters, Yeah, sacrifice deck and sacrifice wheels. They're really cool. And look at them forks. Sacrifice forks. Sacrifice anything, everything. It's really cool. I love them. Anyway, that's just good check. See you.